Hi, this is Mike Haber. Thanks for asking me, who's the boss in the attorney-client relationship? Lawyers are service providers, which means that we're hired by clients to provide a specific service. And in the attorney-client relationship, as with other service providers, the client is always the boss. But unlike other service providers, when it comes to lawyers, your boss status doesn't give you complete control over your case. For example, painters are service providers. So when you hire a painter as the client, you have complete control over damn near everything that the painter does. You get to decide which specific surfaces will be painted. You determine whether or not the painter will handle drywall patching, wallpaper removal, caulking, sanding, any aspect other than merely applying paint. You direct whether the painter moves or protects fixtures, floors, or furniture. You can choose the paint brand, sheen, tier, as well as the precise color and the number of coats to be applied. You get to decide timing, logistics, quality control, boundaries. Essentially, every aspect of that job is controlled by you, the client. Again, lawyers are service providers, and while I can't speak to other areas of the law, I can surely speak to criminal defense. And in the criminal defense realm, all strategic aspects of the case are left to the discretion of the lawyer. This means that while the client can offer an opinion about such things as what motion should be filed, whether or not deposition should be taken, and if so, which witnesses should be deposed, what defenses should be pursued, what litigation strategies employed, in the end, it's the lawyer, not the client, who gets to make those decisions. In fact, there's only two things over which a criminal defense client has complete control. And those are, number one, whether to accept a plea bargain or proceed to trial, and number two, if the choice is to go to trial, then whether or not to waive the fifth, take the stand, and testify. In other words, your lawyer cannot force you either to take a plea or go to trial, nor can your lawyer force or prevent you from testifying in your own defense. Those two decisions are left exclusively to you, the client. Whether it's a painter or a lawyer, it's critical that you discuss job specifics before the fact. And with criminal defense counsel, you should fully vet your case and understand the plan before you sign a retainer agreement. That said, I thank you for your question. I appreciate your having asked it. Please remember that at Haber PA, it's all about reasonable doubt. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be putting out more soon.